How to add emojis to Discord channel. Open your channel setting. For example, let's say this is one of my channel. Go to here and now go to the server settings here, right? And now once you're here, right click on the text or voice channel where you want to add an emoji and select edit channel, which you can do here, right? For example, I have this voice channel or the text channel here, and we can just go and create it, right? And if I just right click on it, and once I right click on it, go and click on edit channel. Right now here it will give you all these functions which is needed for which you can change it in your channel. In the channel settings, locate the channel name here, which is overview, right? And to open emoji keyword on your Windows, press keys plus dot, or you can just go to any of the website here, emoji. Right now here you can see here there are some of these stock emojis which you can just copy them out, or just write emoji copy paste, and here you will get a lot of website where you can just copy this emojis here. For example, I like this one, right? So I will, once I click on it, it will be already copied. Now right click on it and just go and click on paste. Now it has been added. Now in this way you can just edit it and just go and click on save changes, right? You can always change the name here and everything. Thanks for watching.